Lack of food and water has also forced typhoon-affected residents in eastern Samar to resort to stealing and looting. Earlier, ANC was able to speak with Eastern Samar Representative Ben Everdone, who gave a detailed picture of the situation on the ground. Here are parts of that interview.
Improvement the weather, but the condition, Pinky, here, nothing left but debris. Grabe, the situation here in the province is horrible. May mga nag-disappear na mga communities, the entire village, the entire barangay, talaga totally wiped out. The municipality of Liwan, Salcedo, Mercedes, Riporlos, Hernani, the historic town of Balanghiga, and Lawaan, all wiped out. Bisado ko yan yung mga barangay, pero nung dinaanan ko po, talaga wala na pong makita. Kawawa po yung mga tao dito. We need help, we need support. Luckily, the roads leading to the Eastern Samar are now passable. Thank you to DPWH from Tacloban, from Western Samar. Pero ngayon po, even the relief operations of LGUs and kind-hearted people are hampered by the lack of fuel po. Sana po appealing to the oil companies to mobilize the resources. Yesterday, a C-130 plane brought some relief goods, but not enough, of course. Ngayon po, wala talaga. Pinky, ang 80% of the population of Eastern Samar, and actually Samar, is rely on coconut products. If you see the coconut trees, they are either cut or fallen. Wala po talaga. And it will take 5 to 10 years to replant. In the meantime, yun po ang iniisip po namin how to get up, how to rebuild the communities. Lapsan po yung LGU doon. There is rioting, there is looting also. The Mercury Dam, pinasok po. Yung isang popular na mga stores po doon, pinasok na rin po. Sa Giwan po.
Sa Giwan?
So, I mobilize na po yung PNP at saka AFP to secure important facilities, yung warehouse po ng NFA at saka yung ng NFA, dalawang warehouse po yan. So combine ko po, pinakiusapan ko po yung PNP at saka AFP na secure po yun dahil baka pasukin din po ng mga kababayan kung nagugutom na po at nawawala ng pag-asa. There are 174,000 more or less persons affected, and about 52,000 families affected, 211 casualties already, 45 missing, damaged houses, more than almost 6,000. Yun nga ho, if may mga birds pong lumubog at siguro po if bigyan niyo po kami pagkakataon kasi itong mga so nag-aalala din po yung mga kamag-anak nito, no? May mga namatay po ng mga birds, mga nagtatrabaho sa birds. Mayroon po isang survivor Bonifacio Sarate from Cayupo, Nueva Ecija. Okay po siya, no? But pero yung mga kasamaan niya po, mga nasawi po.